Marginal X false. So if you want to learn how to make this beautiful paracord bracelet, stay tuned, cause tutorial is just around the corner. Enjoy and have fun. Hello my friends, welcome back. I hope that you're all well, safe and sound, and that you're ready for yet another awesome paracord project. The credit for today's bracelet goes to Why Not Paracord, so make sure to check the description box down below to get more information. We're gonna use the gold Paracord 550, two separate pieces, and the one black Paracord also 550. You can use the jig, but you can make it without the jig, and we're gonna need the buckles. So let's start. First we're gonna take the first strand of a gold paracord and we're gonna pull it by the ends to find the center. Now we're gonna take our jig and we're gonna insert this gold bite into the buckle. So let me just zoom a bit so you can clearly see. Okay, so from the top we're gonna insert our gold paracord, and then we're gonna pass these two cords through the loop or a bite from the top through, and this way we created the basic cow's hitches, as you can see. So now when we created our bracelet base, we're gonna start with the weaves. So first we're gonna take our gold, so the sides of a gold, and we're gonna cross them under this gold cord here, or we can simply pass this gold on top and then we'll have the clear picture. So take the sides of a gold, cross them like so, one side on the other one, and now we're gonna take the black paracord and we're gonna place it on top of the gold cords that we crossed. So on top, around, and from the back through, and we're gonna do the same on the left side. So on top, around, and from the back to the top. Now we're gonna take our center gold cords and we're gonna simply place them on top of the crossed cords, and then around and from the back through the top, and with the left one the same. Now we're gonna cinch it all, tie it, and proceed. So from here we're gonna continue with the crossing sides of a gold cords, then with the black on top of the crossed cords, around from the back to the top, and the same with the left strand. So on top, around, and to the top. From here we're gonna take our gold center gold cord and we're gonna cross it, so one side to the other one, and then around, but this time we're gonna pass our gold strand to the inner side or to the right side of this strand here, so from the back to the top, and now we're gonna cross the left side to the right, and then on top of the crossed cords, around and from the back through, next to this gold cord from the left side, like so, and we're gonna cinch it again. So cross your gold cords, and then with the black ones on top, around, and from the back through to the middle or to the center, and with the left strand as well, around, from the back to the top. Now we're gonna place our center gold cords on top of the crossed cords, and then around and from the back to the top, and do the same with the left one. Crossed again our golds, then with the black we're gonna place it on top, around, and from the back to the top. We're gonna do the same with the left side of a black, or left strand of a black, sorry, on top, around, and from the back to the top. And from here we're gonna cross again our gold, so right side to the left, around the crossed cords, from the back to the top. And we're gonna do the same with the left side, so left side to the right side, on top of the crossed cords, around and from the back through the center or through the middle, and then from the back to the top. Now tie it all and proceed. So here we're gonna check our wrist to see does it fit. So as you can see, it fits perfectly. Now we're gonna pull aside our jig, and we're gonna detach this end of a buckle, pass it to the end here, and now we're gonna finish our project. So pull those two gold cords through the buckle, all the way, like so. Now from here we're gonna simply take the right side of a gold. Let me just zoom a bit so you can clearly see. So we're gonna take the right side of a gold cord and we're gonna pass it through the middle, and we're gonna return it from the back through the loop. We're gonna readjust a bit later on. So with the left strand, around, through the middle, and then from the back through the loop. Now we're gonna take our black and we're gonna insert it through the buckle as well. Now we're gonna make it around, and from the top we're gonna return it through the loop. You can use the feed here, or simply pull it through, and then we're gonna tie it . So here we are, our today's project is finished. I hope that you like it. If you do, leave a like, share this video with your friends and family, and if you're not subscribed, consider subscribing and hit that bell button so you'll be notified whenever we post a new video. So that being said, until the next time, stay safe, be well, wishing you just best, and see you soon. Bye!